The Carnival. Smart and intuitive advanced driver assist. The Carnival comes equipped with many safety features as your safety is a priority in the design of the Carnival. The forward collision avoidance assist, junction turning, will bring your vehicle to a halt if there is an oncoming threat of forward collision during turns. If you approach the rear detection area with the smart key while the tailgate is open, a notification alert will go off for up to 2 minutes. When you leave the detection area, a door closing alert will sound 3 times and it will sound twice more as the tailgate automatically closes. The Carnival stops if a passenger doesn't notice an oncoming vehicle and presses the front or rear seat sliding door open button. The rear corner radar will detect an oncoming vehicle. The warning alert will sound once and the door will not open. This driving safety feature is triggered when your vehicle's speed is less than 3 km per hour and the approaching vehicle's speed is more than 5 km per hour. Surround and rear view cameras with the sensors on board helps provide a 360 view of the car to create a holistic view and to help navigate difficult areas. The blind spot monitor assists your driving through various digital and physical cues such as steering wheel vibrations and warning indicators given to the driver of potential oncoming vehicles or collision threats.
Kia, movement that inspires.